This is how modern transport companies build operational excellence. Why do some transport companies seem to operate at a completely different level than everyone else? Their fleets look more professional. Their depots run more efficiently. Their teams appear more organized. And somehow, they continue growing while others struggle with the same operational challenge year after year. The answer is not luck, and this is not always a local project. More often, it's because they internationally build operational excellence into every part of their business. The most successful transport companies understand that customers don't just evaluate the service they receive, they evaluate the entire experience. Every vehicle on the road represents the company. Every interaction reflects the brand. Every operational process contributes to performance. That's why industry leaders focus on creating systems that deliver consistency, reliability, and efficiency every single day. One of the biggest differences between average operator and market leader is their willingness to modernize. While some companies continue relying on outdated process, leading business invest in infrastructure that support long-term growth. They know that operational excellence is not built through efforts alone. It's built through systems that allow people to work smarter, faster, and more effectively. Vehicle washing is a perfect example. Many companies see it as a routine task, but modern operators see it as of a longer operational strategy. A clean fleet strengthens brand image. A streamlined clean process improves depot efficiency. Consistent vehicle presentation reinforce professionalism. These small improvements combine to create a stronger overall business. At Go&Go, we believe operational excellence starts with the detail. Our automatic bus wash system helps transport companies create a more organized, efficient, and scalable operation. Instead of spending valuable time managing repetitive process, business can focus on growth, customer satisfaction, and future expansion. Automation helps transform unnecessary daily tasks into a competitive advantage. The reality is simple. The transport company leading tomorrow's market are making decisions today that support their long-term vision. They are investing in technologies. They are improving workflow. They are building systems capable of handling future growth without sacrificing quality or efficiency. Operational excellence is not achieved overnight. It's built through a series of smart decisions that compound over time. And often those decisions begin with improving the process that many competitors overlook. If you are ready to build a transport operation that stands out for efficiency, professionalism, and long-term performance, contact Go&Go today. Discover how automatic bus wash system technologies can help your business create the operational excellence needed to compete and grow in the modern transportation industry.